Why didn't Pennywise eat Ingrid right away and instead keep pretending to be her father? It wasn't just about turning her into a tool, it actually exposed Pennywise's fatal weakness. Looking back at the beginning of It Chapter 2, Pennywise didn't hesitate to devour Adrian, proving it can prey on adults. Kids are just tastier because their fear is stronger. But in the latest episode, when Mabel brings Ingrid to it, Pennywise is clearly excited and still doesn't strike. You might think it wants to turn Ingrid into another Henry Bowers-style accomplice, but the real reason is simpler and way darker. Ingrid isn't afraid. When she sees her father, her excitement and joy overpower any fear. She even seems happy to see him. And without fear, Pennywise can't feed. That's one of its rare, fatal weaknesses. At the same time, Ingrid's reaction reveals how deeply she misses her dad. The show even hints they were genuinely close. Trailers show Bob Gray patiently teaching her circus etiquette, proving he was a good father before Pennywise killed him. The tragedy is, Ingrid doesn't know the truth. She believes her father simply disappeared at a dairy carnival, so she stays, keeps searching for him, and walks straight into Pennywise's trap.